Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just a really quick update to let you know what's going on. Mondays, we recently did a video or some information somewhere saying Mondays we were doing sort of minor services, whatever, you know, the smaller jobs, because it's our busiest day with inquiries and sales orders and packing and getting these injector kits and other parts together for you. It is a growing thing, definitely. We're now no longer... it's no longer possible that we can do any servicing on Monday, so Monday is strictly reserved for taking the calls, the tech calls, information, taking orders, you know, to let you know what's included in the injector kit, the pricing, because you know there's those variables, and then obviously people make the order and then we've got to get that all packed and get it out. Now the other part of it is we normally do a run each day, or sometimes more than once a day, with all those injector kits we're sending out. From now on, I don't think there's a lot of point doing it Monday, because by the time people pay for it and whatever, it just doesn't really happen to get it there in time. So Tuesday is going to be the day. So from now on, the standard time, if you call after the weekend, you know, you can even text me an order over the weekend and we'll get it sorted so that, you know, we don't have to talk much or at all on Monday, if we've already spoken previously. And then what we'll do, it gives us Tuesday as well, obviously, to get our work done and also get those kits. Instead of worrying about getting them out, we can just get those kits packed, you know, as late as it takes on Monday. So they're all ready to go Tuesday. Tuesday we'll get them in the mail. So then if you're in an overnight area, you'll get them Wednesday, or depending, you know, where you are in the country. What else did I want to say? That's the main thing. So injector kits. Look, that's what I wanted to say. If there's anything urgent, same as usual, if you need me urgent for some reason, just send me a text message and just put the word urgent there as well, so we know it is something like, you know, you've got the car pulled apart and you need injectors right now. And if that's the case and you call Monday morning at 9 o'clock, you pulled the car apart on the weekend and, you know, you've all of a sudden decided you need injectors or whatever, we can prioritise, obviously, getting back to you earlier Monday, getting that order in, getting that packed and sent out Monday early as possible, so that hopefully you can even get it Tuesday. All right, guys, so that pretty much covers that. Hope that helps. See ya. Thanks.